Open book exercise. For this exercise, I'm going to place my leg into this 90-degree position right on top of the foam roller. I'm gonna have this arm completely flat on the ground here, and I'm gonna have my other hand right on top. Now, I don't want my neck falling down below here, and I don't want my neck completely elevated in this position. I wanna make sure that it's nice and neutral here, so we get a little bit of a contraction on these muscles as well. So, as I'm maintaining position on this leg, I'm going to open up, and I'm gonna get as far as I can. I'm gonna hold 1, 2, and then I'm gonna come on back. Now, a nice cue that I like to use here is, as I open up, I wanna follow my hand with my head and with my eyes, and get to that end position, 1, 2, and then work it back up. Open book thoracic rotations.